This is the heart and soul of entire main exam, let me tell you. This paper GS4, ethics, integrity, aptitude. This is Chanakya Mandal's Gully, this is Avinash Dharmadhikari's Gully, and this all Chanakya Mandal aspirants for civil service may please aim at becoming Karyakarta Adhikaris, our most favorite term. Integrity refers to character. Integrity will essentially mean that I am there in that chair not for my personal, selfish, egoistic reason, but I am there to serve people. That my behavior should be transparent. That anyone can come and question any of my action which I am duty bound to explain, that is probity. That I am answerable to people, which means this is a component of accountability. All told, it is integrity. Find out your grasp of issues in civil service. You may not be expected to be like as knowledgeable as any officer, because that's what the training academies do. But do you have a basic grasp? Do your answers reflect a basic bent of mind which shows the capacity to grasp various issues in civil service? Three principles are the Constitution, laws based on the Constitution, and basic human morality. We need to remember that constitutions and laws exist for human beings, not the other way around. That human beings do not exist for the constitution and laws. The constitution and laws are for human beings. That's where our rishis say, yoga karmasu kaushalam. That yoga is not just some asanas or surya namaskar and pranayam, etc. It is there, it's required. But yoga is skill in action. Skill in action. How do you find the proper path across very complex situations? Complex, troublesome, and especially situations full of ethical dilemmas. Which is always, it's a foundational value. That the position you occupy is not for yourself. And let there be no egoistic consideration in running administration. Idam na mama. This doesn't belong to me, it belongs to people. So it would mean I am like the trustee of what belongs to people. And I have to carefully look after all this and return it to people with interest. In addition to handling GS4, that even as a capable officer, everything you do is right, okay? But it has to be also documentarily proven. And it has to be proven that the steps you take are as per procedure as set by law. So, good faith clause and due discharge. That no action can be taken against a civil servant for any action taken in due discharge of one's own duty. Now even civil services are not only about government job, but even civil servants are required to understand the corporate sector. In your life, the height that you attain in your life is decided neither by your altitude nor by your aptitude, but by your attitude.